Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, today I'm getting ready to fix some you know what in my you know what. Okay, I've already washed and seasoned my chicken. What I got here? Look like 2 legs and 2 wings. I marinated, then I vacuum sealed it so I can infuse all them flavors in here. Ooh. And I'm trying to decide whether I'm going to bread it with the hot chicken crack or the shore lunch. Not sure yet. I like them both, but this has been opened already, so I'll use the hot chicken crack. I'll leave a link for it in my description box. Okay, this is what I seasoned my chicken with. This is something that, who sent this? Brenda. In the last Honey's mailbox I got, this was in it. Some chicken seasoning. So I put this on the chicken. And knowing me, I probably put some red pepper on it too. I know I got black pepper on it. And of course mustard. I put that on all my chicken all the time. Okay, I'm getting my breader bowl out. And in the meanwhile, I'm going to be preheat this air fryer. I'm using my Cosori 5.8 quart black air fryer. Okay. What'd you say, man? Huh?
Sound like he's riding a fighter jet plane or something.
Just jealous. Jealous. Y'all see Walter back there? He's patting out some hamburgers. Seasoned, oh my gosh. He's seasoning the hamburgers. I won't talk about them today. About how dirty burgers look. Okay. Okay, I'm using my hot chicken crack, and I like the way it's resealable. It's in a nice, like a plasticky pouch, resealable. So I don't have to use all of it. I just use enough for 4 pieces of chicken. So I'm using my breader bowl, which I love. See the color of the hot chicken crack? Y'all can't really tell. Just stuff sifting. Cell in here. Okay. Cut open this bag. Vacuum seal bag. And because it's meat in it, I won't use it again. Now, if it's a dry ingredient, if it was rice or anything else in it besides meat, I could use it again. Now I'm going to put it in the breader bowl. Four pieces of chicken, just enough for me.
Unfortunately.
Man, you making hamburgers.
Have to.
Won't nobody believe. No, won't nobody believe for a second that you don't eat.
Eat enough, just enough for the world.
Braided it nicely. Okay. be using my Evo oil sprayer that Doug blessed me with. I have olive oil in here. Okay, I have 2 more minutes left on the preheating time, but I'm going to put my stuff in here now. Push it back. Shake off the excess batter off the chicken. Now put the flat side up, because I'm not going to flip my wings. I'm not going to flip the legs either. Okay. I'm going to spray just this one side of my chicken. The top. Move this up the way. Man, you got chocolate all on this counter. Okay, spray the chicken. Ooh. Okay, it looks. I'm cutting it off. I'm going to turn it back on and put it on the chicken setting and start. And you can see I have it on this rolling tray. I'll put a link for that in the description box also. Put this up because I'm not going to flip the chicken, so I won't have to use it again. Huh? Okay, once again, this is what I season the chicken with. Some Amazing Taste chicken seasoning. It says it's all natural, no MSG, and low sodium. See, I always season my chicken even though the breading is seasoned. I want to taste the seasoning all the way through. So I'm using the hot chicken crack seasoning. I'll leave a link for it. Well, it's easy to remember this, chickencrack.com. Go there and order, because if you order from Amazon, it costs a lot more. Okay, I'll be back. And I cleaned out, I took a couple of paper towels and cleaned the inside of the air fryer. And because they grease and that builds up. And there was a lot of grease on the paper towel. So if you need to clean your air fryer, the coils, I suggest you use a rag you don't care nothing about, because it's going to get greasy. Because if you use the wrong kind of paper towel, then the paper can get caught in the coils. And it may get stuck up in there and burn once you turn it on. So after I got through cleaning my air fryer coils and everything, I actually turned my air fryer up so I can look and see that no paper got caught. So, just a little tip. And people keep asking me what air fryer I like best. Out of all my air fryers, I like the Cosori, because they all cook good. All my air fryers, they air fry nicely. Make the best chicken. But the Cosori cleans up really well. So that's what I like about it. Super easy cleanup. And I don't have to flip my chicken in the Cosori. With the other air fryers, I was using parchment papers and I was flipping the chicken and all that. Not with the Cosori. Okay. I also had a smaller Cosori that they sent me. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I'm taking my wings out because these are small wings. Brown on the wings, browned on both sides. I'm gonna leave the legs in here. I think it got a couple more minutes to cook. I'm still not gonna flip them over. Not spraying them anymore. Got 4 more minutes to cook. My wings sure look good, don't they? Yum, yum, yum. Okay, I'm gonna come back when the legs are done. Okay. Unplug it, turn it off. I just turned it on. Turn it off. Let's put the cord over here. They're done. See the meat separate from the bone. Nice and golden brown on both sides. I'll make some chicken dogs. Okay. This is how the basket looks. Easy cleanup. Of course, the grease always falls to the bottom. That's what it's supposed to do. So these are hot chicken crack wings and legs. Nice golden brown. Juicy. I'm gonna put some hot sauce on the legs. I like this extra, the Frank's Red Hot, extra hot. Okay, let me get a thumbnail before I start eating. These legs are juicy. You can see the juice coming out of them. But anyway. Okay, I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. This is how my chicken looks. The wing always trying to fly out the bow. Let me show you how a chicken dog looks. This is a chicken dog. Okay, chicken, a hot chicken crack chicken dog. I guess y'all want to see me taste it. I'll taste a piece of the wing because it's had time to cool off some. Taste some of the skin. Good, good. See that color? It only took 20 minutes for these wings to get done at 380 degrees. Because these wings are smaller than what I usually cook. Little video wing. Look at that. That's normal. I got these from a different store than Aldi's. They got them big old giant wings. Okay. Thank y'all for watching. I think I got my thumbnail picked. I'm not even sure. I'm trying to arrange this chicken. Showed y'all the chicken dog. Okay. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up. Leave a nice comment. And y'all have a blessed day. And everything I talked about in this video, or you saw me use, I'm going to put it in the description box. The breader bowl, the rolling tray, the Cosori air fryer, and the Evo oil sprayer. Okay, I think that's it. And of course the chicken crack. Okay. Bye for real now. Them juicy legs, y'all. Yum, 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 yum.